Quality tested and ensured for maximum durability. Designed with only the toughest, roughest users in mind. Comfort and performance come hand in hand with Rothco. Country of origin: China. Marksman 3330 Slingshot Replacement Kit for Marksman 30.06, 3027, 3040, 3047, and 3061 slingshots. This kit will fit all tubular band slingshots with 1/4 inch diameter yokes. Top reviews from the United States. Much needed replacement. The original seemed to be dry rotted when I received it, but I took a chance that maybe it just my imagination since I had no experience with slingshots. Well, it was long before I realized my suspicion was correct when the rubber band broke apart. The replacement I ordered and received was soft and pliable and was easily installed. The slingshot shoots easier and is more accurate with the new band. Highly recommend this seller and product.